to my kids from Sierra Leone about the testing of Mr. Thing that wants to cut people life. He is a creature of molecules. He turns it back to a wonderful naivety of the flesh. Well, I have him here about the repair of your reproductive system or your reproductive uh, energies of pleasure. This energy seems to be wonderful, but it turns back the flesh to a state of naivety. Doing a repair of your reproductive energies, remember, is wonderful, but yet it brings the flesh to a point of naivety. It sometimes has a color code of green, wonderful. Keep working on your reproductive defense. Remember, it is not illegal to test your reproductive uh, energies. Think. That's all I say.